Anybody with dogs? Just show of hands. You have a dog? Anyone? Yeah? Cool. So we have a really cute little mini Aussie named Peggy. And my wife and I do voices for her. Do you guys do that with your dogs? Do you do voices? It's kind of weird, right? Like, for example, if my wife says, "Hey, Peggy, you want a treat?" I'll be like, "Yes, you're right, I do." And it's bad. She has a potty mouth. But anyway, but what happens is I walk down the street with Peggy, and then, somebody walks by always and says, "Oh, what a cute dog." And I'm always like, "Thanks a lot." And then I'm like, no, that was the dog. And they're looking at me like I'm completely bonkers, right? Like many of you right now.